Hi guys, Terry here. Hey, I wanted to show you if you're new to scrapbooking or if you are still trying to figure out your scrapbooking style, I want to suggest that you take a look at Creative Memories Simple Page Kits. So this is a set from 2024. So what they offered was monthly you could buy this page kit, which it consists of the two base sheets and then a cut apart page, and it has all the ways that you're supposed to cut it out. Very simple, easy to follow. And then it also has some stickers that comes with it. And of course each month, the stickers were kind of themed for what you traditionally would use for that month. And the flavor, I'll call it, the flavor that they had last year was called This Life. So there was a pack of paper called This Life, and it was very colorful. I'm trying to think if I have it close at hand here. But what happened then was all the monthly kits last year coordinated with the colors that were in This Life. And there was also a calendar thing that you could do too. So I'm trying to find one. Here's an Easter one. Look how fun that is. So it's got Easter, it's got some cute little strips there, and then all the little goodness. So they're doing the same thing this year, only they're using Noteworthy as the paper style. So, or I'll call it the flavor. So I want to show you Januaries here. If you go to the Creative Memories site, and I'll have links below, it will have this, and it's only $5.50. So this is this month's here in January of 2025, and it has the two base pages, which I just love this color scheme. Last year's scheme was very primary colors, and this year is just a little bit more muted. But I love that. Look how handsome that is. So it's nice that the base layers come already with something graphical on them. So you've got those two base pages, and then you've got this page that is a cut apart. And just look how handsome those colors are. So it may look funny when you look at it, but when you turn it over, it's got exactly how you are going to trim it on your trimmer. And then it shows you in the instructions where these go. So it's got exactly right here. Here's a sample of what it's going to look like with the pictures on it. Come on, camera, focus. And then here it tells you how to assemble it. And then it also tells you the coordinating colors that go with it, which is all in the Noteworthy. Those are the colors that we're going to use this year. So isn't that handsome? And then I just love the stickers that come with it. So it's got Happy New Year. And if you don't use that, maybe you're going to use it for gifts or birthday or something else that you're going to use it for. But how fun is that? That's what I love about it, is if you like the colors of it, you usually can make these stickers work with your photos. So love that. So I'm going to take this over to my trimmer and cut this apart and then lay it out here on the page so you can see what it looks like. I'll be right back. I'll just mention too, I don't know whether you know on your trimmer, if you check both ends of your trimmer, there's a little plastic piece here, and it has a black line on it, so you can make sure you're lined up on the cutting lines. It's got one at the top and then another one tucked in here. You kind of have to pull them out. They're tucked into the plastic piece here. But if you line those up, you can make sure, it's just another way to make sure you've got the blade lined up with the cutting line there. So, and then, after you cut, they go right back into the tray. So there, I've got my first piece cut. So I'm just lining it up here on the track, and just to double check, pull those little guys back out, and you'll see that black line to see if it's lined up perfectly. Isn't that fun? So there I've got my 2 pieces cut. Okay, I've got my pieces cut. These last 2 pieces have little tabs on them. I'm just going to cut those like they suggest. Okay. Now let's figure out how they all go here. I'll just mention too that if you're an advisor, you can buy 3 months at a time. So let's see here. We've got these 2 pieces on here. This great big one here. One here. One here. That one there, a great journaling block. And then these other 2 pieces up here. Now see, this one I missed a little bit. I can just take my trimmer and fix that. No harm, no foul there. So let's see, this goes like this. So there is my layout. And then, yeah, it looks like that's everything. So then they suggest that you have a 4x6 picture here, 2 4x4s on here, and a 4x6 on there, and then 2 4x6 landscape. But keep in mind, I mean, you've cut these pieces apart. They're sized now for your photos, but you can arrange these however you need to, and you can put your title on here how you want. So don't be afraid to make the mats fit your photos, but at least it's just a starting point. And I just think for $5.50 to get the 2 pieces of very printed paper, you know, very handsome, and then the cut apart and the stickers, I just think you can't miss with that $5.50 offer. So yeah, so I highly recommend the paper from Creative Memories. It's not like how it was back in the day when it was 8.5 by 11 and it was super thin. It's just beautiful paper now. So like I said, I'll have a link to the Creative Memories website. If you don't have an advisor, feel free to use me. But yeah, find someone in your area if you want to. And yeah, so I hope that you are, you know, pulling your pictures together, have them organized. I like to upload mine to Snapfish. That way I can just kind of keep them all organized by date and have them to work on, and have my, you know, it's just a great way to back up your photographs. And then I'm thinking that I think I'm going to take the kits from last year's set and make those all up and then have them in an album. And it's just a really good way, even though it's last year's pictures, it's such a good way to have a monthly 2-page layout for each month. And it's kind of going to inspire me to take pictures about the everyday stuff and put those in there. I mean, I always do our trips and holidays, but it's kind of nice just to document, you know, stuff that you do every day and how you're enjoying life. So I think I'm going to use them that way. So yeah, so I hope this inspired you to do some kind of scrapbooking with your photographs and just, you know, retain those memories. So I will talk to you later. I hope you do something in your craft room this week, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, guys.